Hello everybody. Today we're going to be testing out Claude 3.5 Sonnet's coding capabilities, and I've prepared a couple tests for us to go through. So what I'm going to do is let's start out. So these are the tests that I'm going to run. So I'm going to ask Claude to create a 3D interactive particle cloud. I'm going to ask it to convert a financial report into an interactive infographic. I'm going to ask it to recreate a website from screenshot. I'm going to ask it to generate a presentation on health implications of coffee. And I'm going to just do a couple of other code development tests, like build a to-do list application, HTML Markdown Converter, and to build a simple calculator. Now, I am still on the free version of Claude 3.5 Sonnet, so I don't know if I can get through each one, but I am told the one-shot to two-shot prompting for Claude 3.5 is amazing. So hopefully I can squeeze most of these into this test. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this. And then let's go to Claude, and I'm just going to make this into active tense, and let's see what it does here. So I'm basically asking it to create a 3D interactive particle cloud, and then it opens up. By the way, some people might not have this naturally set up to actually get this thing working. Oh, it's pretty cool. Look at that. Anyways, if you want to see this on the side, you gotta go to settings, or sorry, feature preview. And once you click on that, you just have to make sure that artifacts is turned on. But look, in one shot, it was able to create this particle effect where I can move it around with my mouse. That is pretty cool. GPT-4o can't do that. Opus can't do that. Gemini can't do that. So that is really freaking cool. So that's a win. That's really cool. Let's try something else. I'm gonna ask it to convert a financial report into an interactive infographic, and the one that I decided to use is the 2023 Amazon's annual report. And I want to see if we can just turn this into some type of JavaScript interactive something, right? So let's try. I'm gonna basically copy this. And I want to basically say Amazon annual report. And I am going to upload that report. And why can't I click and enter? Should be able to click enter. Oh, damn. Okay, the conversation is not 194% over the length limit. I might actually have to, I'm going to skip on this one for now, and I might look for another much shorter report after. I'll go to the next one actually. So let's do this one. Recreating a website from a screenshot. So I'm just going to basically copy this, and I'm going to do Fiverr's homepage. And I already took a screenshot, so I'm going to upload that here. Fiverr, just going to replace this word, Fiverr page. Okay. Let's see if it can actually turn this web page, this Fiverr's homepage. I took a full page screenshot, and I want to see if it can turn it into like just I know obviously there's a lot of back end stuff that it can't replicate, but I want to see if we can just get the front end going. So it's starting to build out the page. So it imports from Lucid React, constant Fiverr homepage. Yeah, I'm not going to bother to read all this. Let's just see how far it goes. I just want to see if it's actually getting the content. So that was pretty good. Honestly, that was actually pretty good. If we look at this side by side, we have Fiverr Pro, Explore, English, Become a Seller, Sign In, Join. It has sort of the color ready. It has the above the fold, the green section here, and the programmings, the different departments. It has that within the green section, so it's a little bit different. Social media, SEO, illustration. Do they have that? So I think it sort of decided to add its own things. Oh, sorry, graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation. So I think it has most of that. And if we scroll down, a whole world of freelance talent at your fingertips. If we scroll down, a whole world of freelance. So it's definitely not complete. Sorry, website development. Let's see if if it has that. So it doesn't. It's not obviously copying one to one, but it's still pretty good. It got the color right. Try Fiverr Pro. That's a call to action. Fiverr Pro here. Get started. And then what they're saying about Fiverr. Let's see what they're saying about Fiverr. When you need to create a business bigger than yourself, that's when you need Fiverr. And right here. Make an incredible logo in minutes. Let's see if they have that section. Make an incredible logo in seconds. Here it says minutes. Made on Fiverr. Scroll down. Made on Fiverr. This is more of a it's a grid layout, so you'll see some funky design. Design like horizontal on the horizontal and vertical axis, and yeah, they got the footer. You got the footer. So I mean, yeah, I mean for the most part, that's like a 8 out of 10. That's amazing. That's we've never been able to do that from like GPT 4.0. Like this is crazy. Um, okay, I'm impressed. Let's go to the next one. Generate a presentation on a health implication. Generating a presentation on health implications of coffee. I'm gonna copy this. Go back here, and then yeah, let's do that. See what it does. Okay, so it's generating. So this is in HTML, and it's building something. It's pulling in Ajax, and it's just styling the front end, and it's just building up the structure. I wonder when it's going to start adding JS, or is it going to add JS? We'll see. Okay, so there's something definitely happening here. So health implications of coffee, a balanced look at your daily brew, presented by your name. And you got the arrow here. So I click on the arrow. What's in your cup? There's a script error in the console. Caffeine, um, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, organic acids. And then I think it just stops. So there's an error there, but the fact that it was able to do that is pretty crazy. I think like obviously if I prompt it and improve it, I think I can definitely get the output to look a lot better. But the fact that it can just do that is pretty insane. I want to see the code again. I just want to see like in the script it pulled in a library revealed in JS Ajax. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. Let's go to the next one. I wonder if we can do actually. Let's do something like a HTML to Markdown converter. And then I'm gonna do that and just make sure it's HTML to Markdown text, so we don't get this order wrong. The in HTML text, HTML, and see the Markdown preview. HTML. Okay. Let's try this. I don't know if this is gonna work, but this would be pretty cool if it does. Okay, so it's building in React. This thing is crazy, honestly. Like, I think GPT-4. Okay. So sorry. Only use supported libraries and do not use unsupported libraries. So I have 3 messages until 1 p.m. So we are nearing the end of this test, but I do want to see if this one works. And if this one works, maybe we can run one more test and then I'll call it a day. So you have, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to MK Growth and I'm just going to copy all this. Like, I wonder if it's going to work. Like, I'm just going to copy all this and I'm going to go back here and then paste all that. And so does that actually work? Probably not. But I can see some Markdown formatting though, for sure. I think this is a bit too long, maybe. Like something, maybe like if I scroll down a little bit to the HTML portion of things. Sorry, one sec. Let's see here. Okay, I think it does work, but I'm not getting the right. I don't think I'm getting the right HTML in there, so it's probably the output is a little bit funky. Maybe it would make more sense if it was marked down to HTML. Let's do the next test. Let's do a to-do list application. And we'll stop it at that because I think already I'm impressed with the capabilities from this model, like the ability to do something like this. Like I want to, like the next video, I'm actually going to go over and I want to see if I can build like various SEO tools, keyword research, keyword optimization, content optimization tools with this because, okay, so there's an error and I only have 2 messages left. So I want to find out what is going on here. And if this doesn't work, then we are out of all the free messages and I'll have to stop the video here. But let's see if it can actually do this. So it's importing React. It's building something. I'm not a React specialist and I try to learn when I can and I have some free time. But yes, it's still showing me the error. I wonder if I can actually start an... well, we're out of free messages, so we will have to stop it here. But I will have another follow-up video to this, just testing out some more coding capabilities. But I am impressed so far. What it's been able to do, I am very, very impressed. So yeah, until next time, see you guys later. Take care and bye.